Hey there, this is Mrs. J. Today we're going to take a look at the Revolve, the Line, and the Arc tools. So we're doing 25 days of Fusion. We're on the third one. If you haven't created a project folder, you should now, so you don't have all of your parts hanging out here. Click New Project. Once it's up here, you can right-click and rename. It'll say New Project. You can rename to 25 days. Double-click that. And then you can make a folder if you like, but you don't have to. I'm doing multiple versions, so I created one, but that is optional right there. Okay, so we're in here. We can close up the data panel. We have a new part. Let's create a sketch. So I have no grid on here, but before you create a sketch, you could choose to put the layout grid on or off. And I'm going to leave mine off, but once I start a sketch, it comes up. I'm going to click on the front plane. There you go. So you automatically have the grid when you're sketching. I'm going to use the line tool. I'm going to click on the origin, drag to the right, and go to 2. You can drag or type 2. I'm going to left click gently. Now I'm going to left click and hold. So left click and hold. When you hold down the line tool, it gives you the arc tool. I'm going to go up on that grid line. I'm going to drag up until I'm at 1 inch. You could just type it, but I'm going to go right there. Now I'm still in the line tool because I haven't let go. If you notice, whenever you're in the line tool, you have 2 dimensions. The one that's highlighted is for the straight line. And the one that is not highlighted right now, I'll hit tab to highlight it now. That tells you the degrees of what angle you're at. So I'm just going to bring it down here. I'm not holding the mouse down. I'm just using the line tool, coming straight down there. That's pretty much it for the line tool. So you know whenever you grab a line, if you go straight, it will make a line. If you press, it will start to make an arc. So a nice shortcut. Okay, I'm going to undo that. You don't need that. So to finish this up, we'll try the Revolve tool. Let's come up here and get the trim scissors. I'm going to get rid of this first line. It's in our way. Don't worry about that warning. It's because I deleted a dimension. Hit escape on your keyboard to get out of the trim tool. Finish your sketch. Locate the Revolve tool. For the Revolve, you need 2 things, a closed body, so it can't be open. I have the arc and the line closed up. It already selected it. Then you just need the axis, so something it has to go around. It can be a construction line, or it could be a line that's part of the sketch. So left click, and you can see your work go there. I can rotate here to look at it. But you could also choose varying degrees as you go, and you can choose that by pulling, push pull, or you could type it in here. So I could just type 360 to go all the way around. There you go. And to turn in this assignment, I would like you to see if you can locate the properties of what you made. So let's save it, and let's call this Revolve. Oh, this is number 3. Yeah. Oops. This is assignment number 3, Revolve. We're going to save it. And let's go ahead and add some color. So you can either hit A on your keyboard, or you can right click on the name and click the letter A. Should come up in a box over here. Sometimes it's shrunk. And I'm going to choose, let's do wood for this one. Let's do cherry. Drag it on. So I did a little cherry wood. I don't need to add color because that's pretty just the way it is. We'll shrink the appearance button. Let's right click on its name again and see if we can locate properties. I had to escape out of appearance. Right click. And then properties. And if you scroll down, you can see the physical properties. There you go. And that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you save.